Do you struggle with a lack of respect from your colleagues? I know exactly how that feels. Years ago, I walked into my office every day feeling invisible. No one took me seriously. My ideas were ignored, my words didn't carry weight, and honestly, it hurt. But then I started noticing something. It wasn't just about what I was saying. It was about how I carried myself, how I set boundaries, and how I respected myself first. And that's when everything changed. Today, I want to share with you the exact habits and psychology tricks that turned me from being overlooked to being respected. 1. Respect starts with you. Here's a hard truth. If you don't respect yourself, no one else will. Think about the last time you saw someone who constantly doubted themselves, apologized for everything, or slouched when they walked. Did they look like someone you'd naturally respect? Probably not. Respect begins in the mirror. It's in the way you stand, the way you look at people, and the way you treat yourself. If you walk into a room with your head high, shoulders back, and a calm presence, people feel it before you even open your mouth. 2. Speak less, mean more. Here's a story. I once met someone at an event who hardly spoke, but when he did, everyone leaned in. Why? Because he didn't waste words. He wasn't trying to fill the silence or impress anyone. Most people think respect comes from talking more, but in reality, it comes from talking less and adding value when you speak. Instead of saying 100 empty words, choose 10 words that matter. Silence is powerful. It makes people listen when you finally decide to speak. 3. Eye contact equals silent confidence. Have you ever had a conversation with someone who never looked you in the eye? It feels uncomfortable, right? Almost like they're hiding something. Now think about the opposite. Someone who maintains steady, calm eye contact. Instantly you trust them more. You see them as confident. Here's a quick exercise. Next time you talk to someone, hold eye contact for just 1 to 2 seconds longer than usual. It's subtle, but it leaves a deep impression that says, I'm confident, I'm here, and I respect myself. 4. Boundaries equals instant respect. Respect isn't just about how you look or talk. It's about what you tolerate. If you let people walk all over you, interrupt you, or take advantage of your kindness, they won't respect you, period. Think about the people you admire most. They're kind, yes, but they also have clear boundaries. They know when to say no. Try this. The next time someone crosses a line, don't explain too much. Simply and calmly say, I don't allow that. Respect isn't demanded. It's commanded by your standards. 5. The subtle habit that changes everything. Here's the secret most people miss. Respect doesn't come from trying to impress others. It comes from making others feel respected. Think about it. When someone listens to you fully, remembers your name, or acknowledges your effort, don't you instantly respect them more? Respect is like a mirror. When you give it authentically, it bounces back. Next time you're with someone, put your phone away, listen deeply, and acknowledge what they say. It is such a rare habit today, and it makes you unforgettable. Let me share a quick story. A young man started a new job and wanted to be liked by everyone. He talked a lot, laughed at every joke, and tried to be the fun guy. But no one really respected him. They saw him as someone who tried too hard. Months later, he changed his approach. He spoke less, listened more, and started showing quiet confidence. He set boundaries politely but firmly, and suddenly, people looked at him differently. They asked for his opinion. They treated him seriously. Nothing else changed, not his looks, not his skills, not his job title, just his behavior, and that made all the difference. Respect is not about being the loudest person in the room. It's not about money, fame, or power. It's about presence, confidence, and the standards you set for yourself. Stand tall, speak with purpose, hold eye contact, set boundaries, respect others first. Do these things consistently and watch how people treat you differently at work, in your friendships, even with strangers. And remember, you don't ask for respect, you become the kind of person who naturally commands it. If this video helped you, imagine what you could achieve by applying just one of these habits today. Try it and watch the transformation. Don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing tips, because the next step to becoming your best self starts right here.